4. Erling Rose Marie Sacote. She is from Barangay 870 under Chairman Bolet Ignacio. Erling is a Sagittarian and born 17 years ago to Mr. and Mrs. Claro and Cecilia Sacote. She is a student from Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accounting. Her ambition is to be a certified public accountant like her dad. She is a member of Sheila which won first runner-up during the Dance Fest
in her high
the
school.
year 2006.
Wrong spelling,
She enjoys singing, dancing, and surfing the net
Ganda ni Erling, oh my
in her
God.
free time.
Ganda niya, so beautiful. Kapatid ko yan. Parang kinaya yun. You're so pretty. Go, sister!
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4, Erling Rose Marie Sacote.
Love it! Love it!